Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and I have for you today this amazing cake with chocolate and vanilla buttercream. For the base of the cake, I'm going to need a few ingredients and I will show you here 1 bar of chocolate, 1 pack of chocolate of 113 grams, some hot water, half a cup, 4 eggs, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 200 grams of butter, 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of buttermilk, vanilla extract and salt. And also don't forget about 2 cups of sugar. I almost did. So in the hot water I'm going to place the chocolate and I'm going to let it melt. It's going to melt in no time, but after that I'm going to need to let it cool down. In the meantime, I'm going to whisk the egg yolks with a pinch of salt until stiff peaks form, and after that I'm going to move them in another bowl just because I'm going to need this one to whisk the butter, the soft butter, to make it creamier. And I will add the sugar. I'm going to add the egg yolks and incorporate them very well in this dough, step by step. I'm not in a hurry. I added the chocolate now, the melted chocolate, as you can see, and it's going to give a good color to the batter and also to the dough. The baking soda, vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for more flavor, and in the end the flour. Just mix it in to incorporate it well. After that I'm going to add the egg whites and mix them into the batter. And I'm going to pour it in the oven tray on baking paper, level it, and bake it in the preheated oven at 330 Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. Do the toothpick test and let it cool down completely. For the vanilla buttercream, I'm going to need powdered sugar, 1 cup and a half, 340 grams of soft butter at room temperature, and about 4 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And I'm going to mix the butter until it's going to be very soft. And gradually I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. Actually the sugar, the powdered sugar, and I'm going to mix until the sugar is going to be dissolved, and this cream is going to be super smooth. And I'm adding vanilla here, and this is the frosting. Now after the sponge cake has been cooled down completely, I'm going to cut it vertically. As you can see, I'm going to have three parts because this cake is going to be on 3 levels. I'm going to put the first one on a serving tray or dish and add the frosting in between. As you can see, my frosting is kind of hard because I kept it in the fridge, but I should have kept it at the room temperature for about 30 minutes, but it's okay. I managed to spread it between the layers of the cake. I will cover the cake also with this frosting, but just in a thin layer, because I wanna cover the cake with sugar paste, so I need this frosting to be here on the cake in a thin layer in order for the sugar paste to stick to it. I'm using white sugar paste, about 200 grams, and I will spread it with the rolling pin, and also you need some powdered sugar in order not to stick to the working surface. Use it and work with it as with a dough. Just sprinkle powdered sugar on top and underneath in order for this not to stick to the working surface. When you spread it big enough to cover the cake, take it on a rolling pin and place it over the cake. And this is it. Now you just have to decorate the cake the way you want it. I just made some roses out of sugar paste as well, and I decorate the cake in the simplest way possible, and I think looked kind of cute because everyone said that the cake looked nice, but the taste was even better than the look. Trust me, you need to make this cake because it's amazing. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Please stay safe for you and for your family. Try to be happy, and I'll see you here next time. Bye bye.